Let's install your S60A soundbar and enjoy the full surround TV audio experience. Soundbar is also packaged using Samsung Eco Package. Let the unboxing fun begin. A quick tip before you start unboxing, it helps if you use a rug or a mat to protect the floor with. It'll also help keep the soundbar safe from scratches as you set it up. Take out all the accessories and components that can be removed, like wall mount guide, remote controls, and batteries. Determine where you want to position the soundbar on the wall. Align the wall mount guide center line with the center of your TV. Mark the holes for the supporting screws following A-type or B-type holes depending on your device condition. Place the holder on the wall and drill the screws into the marked spots. A quick tip before you start: drilling can cause a lot of dust to fly around all over the place. Try using a vacuum cleaner to make the whole process tidier. First, take the head of the vacuum cleaner off, then turn the vacuum cleaner on. Now, take the hose of the vacuum cleaner to the wall as you start drilling. The dust and debris will then be sucked into the vacuum cleaner. What if you don't have a vacuum cleaner? No worries. You can also take any Post-its you might have lying around your home, fold it in half, and stick it beneath the area you'll be drilling into. The Post-it will collect the dust and debris from the drilling. Attach the brackets to the soundbar. Connect the power cord to the soundbar. Support the soundbar with two hands and hang it on the hanger on the wall. Now you're all set. If you're using the TV stand, push the soundbar in under the TV and place it so that it's centered. Connect the power cord to the soundbar. Now you're all set. First, we will show you how to connect it with HDMI. Turn off the TV and the soundbar before you connect HDMI cable. Connect the one end of the HDMI cable to the ARC HDMI in port on the back of the soundbar. Connect other end of an HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on your TV. Power on your TV and soundbar. The LED indicator will blink white. Then the installation is complete. Enjoy the awesome sound quality from your new Samsung soundbar. If you want to connect your soundbar via Bluetooth, follow the next steps. Press the Bluetooth pair button on the remote control to enter the BT pairing mode. Until pairing is completed, the multicolor LED changes from red, green, and blue in that sequence. Once BT pairing displays on the soundbar, navigate to Home on your TV. Select Sound, select Sound Output, and then select Bluetooth speaker list. You will see AV Samsung Soundbar S60A on the list. Select. The message Need Pairing or Paired will appear in the TV's Bluetooth device list. To connect the TV to the soundbar, select the message and then establish a connection. When the TV is connected, the LED indicator on the middle of the soundbar will blink a cyan colored light 3 times. You are all set. Enjoy the TV sound experience from Samsung Soundbar. We're not done just quite yet. For those of you who are eco-conscious and don't want all the packaging to go to waste, here are some outside-the-box ideas to upcycle your eco-package box. All Samsung soundbars are packaged using eco-friendly corrugated cardboard, which you can creatively recycle or reuse. Scan the QR code on the box to see the instruction manual for building different household items you can make. For more information on the Eco Package, visit samsung-ecopackage.com. Now you're all set. Enjoy your new Samsung soundbar.